Hello, I'm Gareth Bunning, and I am part of an effort to found a new open access journal that is Diamond Open Access for seismology and earthquake science. We're going to call it Seismica. I'm here to represent the Seismica task force. There are 8 of us, all named here, and a larger community of over 200 community members who have joined in our discussions on Slack and on our mailing list. The motivation for founding a new journal is that open access publishing, which is clearly a benefit, is extremely expensive. In November of last year, Nature announced their their article processing charges for open access, and those were, in some cases, in excess of $10,000 per article, which is kind of amazing. And even for journals that are not Nature, these charges can still be in excess of several $1,000s. On the other hand, examples such as Volcanica, which is a recently founded journal that is publishing results in volcanology, has managed to do so in a mode that they call Diamond Open Access, which is to say it is both free to read those articles, but it's also free to publish them. They do so based on volunteer effort and donations, essentially, and they are able to maintain a journal with high review standards, but no cost to either author or reader. So that's something we wish to emulate. We've been at this since the end of 2020, inspired in fact by the announcement of the Nature Open Access APCs. And we've made various progress. We've started connecting with people over social media. We had a logo competition. We've advertised through EGU blog posts. We presented at EGU. And most of what we have done actually is to produce a task force report, which I'll mention in a little bit, which delineates the roadmap for the journal in the future. That's been posted to our Earth Archive. You can read it. We've established a relationship with McGill Library, who will host the journal and use the OJS software to publish it. And right now we're advertising for editorial board members. And I would like to highlight the fact that this is currently an open application process. It will be open until the 15th of September. And that means if you're reading this at the start of the week at SCEC, there is still time to apply. We hope to have everything in place that we can start accepting articles in January of next year. So probably our most significant efforts have been put into generating this community-driven roadmap for how we wish to found this journal. It was written by the members of the task force, along with 16 members of the Seismica community at large, and it outlines things like the vision for the journal that we have, the scope of the articles that we will consider, broadly speaking, all of seismology and earthquake science. It outlines our draft editorial policies, our proposed editorial structures, and our plans for the future, including a really clear need to diversify our editorial board representation beyond just Western Europe and North America. This document is available as a preprint. The URL is given there. We'll also post links to it on the poster webpage at SCEC. So here is a couple of things just from the report that are on the poster. On the left, the sorts of articles, topics that we will consider, and on the right, our proposed editorial structure. Of course, to publish a Diamond Open Access journal has a number of challenges that other journals manage with paid staff. We will need to replicate many of the functions of a journal staff if we wish to do this. So we need help and we need volunteers to work on things like community building, typesetting. Of course, we will need reviewers, we will need copy editors, and we will need people to handle the articles, so editorial staff. As I said, there is an open call for editors. And please, if you're interested, contact us here. And so just to leave up some links so that you can, if you're interested, you can find us and join us. Thank you.